Let's learn the intro of Wonderwall by Oasis. इसमें हम open chord progression use करेंगे with a capo. And hear it how it sounds like. सबसे पहले we'll keep the capo on the second fret. For the ease of tab reading, this will become as fret 0, first fret, second fret, and so on. For strings naming, we'll start from the bottom. ये वाली हो जाएगी first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. In the intro, there are a total of 4 chords. But before we begin the chords, एक important चीज note करिए. For all the chords, the third and the fourth finger की position fix रहेगी. Third finger को हम second string third fret पर रखेंगे. Fourth finger को हम first string third fret पर रखेंगे. And please, chord name से मत घबराना. I guarantee you they're super easy to play. Let's dive in. हम start करेंगे with E minor 7th chord. As I said earlier, the third finger and the fourth finger इन दोनों की position fix रहेगी. To play E minor 7th chord, हम first finger को second fret and fifth string पर रखेंगे, second finger को second fret and fourth string पर रखेंगे, and we can play all the 6 strings here. Next chord is G major chord. इसमें हमें अपने second finger को उठाकर 6th string and 3rd fret पर लेके आना है, and again we can play all the 6 strings together. अगली chord हमारी है D sus4. D sus chord play करने के लिए from the G chord हम first and second fingers को उठा लेंगे and then we will keep the first finger on the 3rd string and 2nd fret and we will play only the last 4 strings. And the last chord is A7 sus4. To play this chord, we will take the first finger and we will move it to the 4th string, 2nd fret. And हम अपनी second finger को 3rd string, 2nd fret पे ले आएंगे. And we can play the bottom 5 strings here. I'm presenting all the 4 chords on the screen. If need be, please take a screenshot. इसमें हम एक simplified strumming pattern use करेंगे for the beginners and which will remain consistent throughout. For better understanding of the strumming, I'll be muting the guitar. The strumming pattern is down, 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 up. कोई भी स्ट्रमिंग को सीखने के लिए टाइमिंग इज द की. ध्यान दीजिए जो पहले 3 पार्ट है उसमें सिंपल डाउन स्ट्रोक्स है एंड जो 4th पार्ट है उसमें डाउन अप है. उस डाउन अप की टाइम पीरियड इज सेम एज सिंगल डाउन. लेट्स प्ले इट अगेन. डाउन, 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 डाउन अप. अब हम इसे कॉर्ड्स के साथ प्ले करते हैं. रिमेंबर द थर्ड एंड द फोर्थ इन दोनों की पोजीशंस फिक्स रहेंगी. तो E minor 7th, down, 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 down up. G, down, 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 down up. D, down, 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 down up. A, down, 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 down up. Here is the full chart of chords and strumming. If need be, please take a screenshot. Let's practice at half the speed with E minor 7th. I'll count you in 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 down up, 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 down, 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 down up. Now let's practice at full speed. बोनस टिप यहाँ पे ये है कि अगर हम कुछ स्ट्रम्स को एक्सेंचुएट या फिर एम्फसाइज करें, इट विल साउंड वेरी क्लोज टू द ओरिजिनल स्ट्रम। अब मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं ना थर्ड स्ट्रम को थोड़ा हार्ड प्ले करूंगा एंड मोर टूवर्ड्स द हाई स्ट्रिंग्स। Hear it how it sounds like. There's the complete. And here is the complete set of 4 chords. Here is the full chart of chords and strumming. If need be, please take a screenshot. If you want to learn the original strumming, watch this video.